Hello. The first thing we are going to do is to describe the issue we were given, which was about a girl who is victim of bullying by one of her classmates, and the first action she takes is to speak with her teacher, her head teacher, who tells her to ignore her classmate and tells her that if she does so, the bullying will stop. But it doesn't happen, it actually gets worse. So the girl speaks to us, who are not her teachers, and the challenge here for us is to look for a solution for the situation.
We think that in order to give a solution to this problem, it's important to identify the ethical dilemma under this situation, which is to comply our role as teachers and at the same time do not disrespect our colleague.
Well, and for that purpose we reviewed some of the readings we did along the unit. For instance, bringing professional responsibility back in, where we reflected about the social role of the teachers as trustee figures and the responsibility of the teacher to create the best environment possible for students' learning and for their integral development. And also we reviewed the code of ethics, where we could identify the different levels of commitment we teachers build. So based on those readings and our conversations, we worked on some suggestions, which are not solutions really, because for a solution we would need to know more about the specific circumstances of the school where the issue is happening.
Our suggestions are related. They depend on the level of communication among colleagues. If there's a good communication among teachers, we propose talking to the teacher and ask them to prepare a specific intervention in that grade, but giving him the initiative to do that. But if there is a bad communication, we can propose a general intervention, which includes a campaign against bullying, and also intervention in all different grades, in which we'll talk about experiences and also share ideas and notions about bullying. We also think it is important and fundamental to involve parents into this problem through workshops and meetings.
We also think prevention is key in this situation. So for that, we would like to propose the creation of a system, some kind of assembly system for every grade, for every class, in order to discuss and look for solutions for every situation that may happen regarding bullying or other issues that may affect the little community every class is.
We also think it's important to have frequent teachers meeting in which teachers can share different ideas or useful actions in order to solve this problem, and also pay attention to specific students which need extra help.
Well, regarding the principles that moved us during this work, we think the first ethical principle is respect at every level, to students and to our colleagues, as we identify respect as the base for any healthy relationship.
Commitment is also important, and commitment with the well-being of our students, commitment with the development of social skills, and also an active citizenship of our students, and also a commitment to the specific community we're working with.
And about what we learned through this task, we agreed on that. The most important thing we learned is how relevant it is to work in order to build a learning community made up from the people at school, teachers, students, and the families, the community around the school, to create bonds in order to work together for learning, for growing, and to build a best community.